Gathering on the darkened streets of pre-dawn downtown Honolulu, nearly 30,000 participants are ready for the Great Aloha Run to begin. This number also includes as many as 4,300 members of the armed forces who run as the Sounds of Freedom.
The run has been going on for 28 years. It was started by Carol Kai and Dr. Jackie Scaff, who started the Honolulu Marathon as well. And the second year, we created the Sounds of Freedom division. And the whole point behind the Sounds of Freedom was to get the military involved in the community. And the general at that time said that when the troops are here training, you hear them calling cadence. And when you don't hear them, that means they're out defending our great nation. And so they are the Sounds of Freedom.
Reporting from Fort Shafter, I'm Sergeant Jesse Untalon.